Hello everyone. Rehaai College of Technology, transforming lives through skills and spoken English. Welcome back to our spoken English course. In lecture 3, we learned daily use sentences. Today, we will learn the English alphabet and pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important in spoken English. If your pronunciation is clear, people can understand you easily. Let's begin with the English alphabet. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now let's learn the sounds with examples. Repeat after me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for ice, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. Excellent. Now remember, in English, letters have sounds, and sometimes the same letter can sound different in different words. For example, C in cat sounds like K. C in city sounds like S. So always listen carefully and practice. Now let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me slowly. Apple, ball, cat, dog, fish, goat. Very good. Speak clearly. Open your mouth properly and pronounce each word. With practice and God's guidance, your pronunciation will improve. Now your homework. Practice the full alphabet daily from A to Z. Practice these words: apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, fish, goat. Repeat each word at least 10 times. Try to listen to English words and repeat them. Thank you for watching lecture 4. In the next lecture, we will learn basic grammar. Stay connected with Rehaai College of Technology. Keep practicing, keep speaking. God bless you.